Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the Cash Drawers report. This is a report you can go to if you just need to pull up a server checkout report or a cashier checkout report. Maybe one didn't print, paper was out, and you go back in and review the information on it or try to reprint it. This is one of the spots you can do. I'm on the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. The menu icon here at the top left. I went to reports. The report called Cash Drawer. And most of these reports here on the left you can also find on the point of sale. So if you are on the workstation, you just sign in, go to the menu at the top right, go to the reports button. Once you hit that, you should see all your reports on the side just like you do on the admin portal. As usual, we got the export button here on the right. If you need to export to PDF or CSV, have the print option here. You have your date range that you can select here. You can use the arrows on the sides. Just want to go back and forth day to day, or you can select the date range here in the middle and it will pull up your calendar. You've got some quick select buttons here on the right if you want to go to last 7 days or this month, last month. Now if you want to select a specific day, then you select the month and then choose the day you want to run and hit run. Now, if you need to pick a date range or a certain range, select number first and select the day that you want to end. It will choose that range. Hit run. For example, if you want to do year to date, we go to January 1st, change this back to April, and click April 1st. That range, January 1st to April 1st. The run button. Now on the Cash Drawers report here, it's going to show you the drawer. Now if it's server bank, it'll show server bank. If it doesn't show server bank, then it assumes cashier. Now the reason why it says iPad here is because that's just what I named. Well, I didn't name it, but that's the default name of the iPad that I'm using just as a training purposes. A regular setting, these should be listed as usually workstation 1 or WS01, WS02, etc., for the fact that it says iPad there. And then it shows staff members here, opened and closed. Now you can sort these if you wanted to sort by staff member. Click here, it'll resort it A to Z. Click it again, to A. Now, if you pull up one here, like if you want to pull up, so one of my favorite things about Heartland Restaurant is you can interact with a lot of this stuff in reports. So just by simply clicking on something, allows me to go into it. So this is going to give me the cash drawer summary, transactions that were rung up, voids, logs, pay in, paid outs, server balance information, they were over or long. That's going to give you all the information here. Now, if you did want to see the original report, then you click on this blue hyperlink here called View or Report. Click on that, it'll open up another link, and it will show you the report. Of course, you can zoom in on it well. Now, if you need to reprint this, you hit this print up here. It's not going to print. This view. It's going to print it in this format here, like you see on the screen. So if you're trying to reprint it in this view, there's actually a better way to do this. I believe you can go into this report on the workstation and click on this, and it will allow you to print this. But don't hold me to that. Now, if you need to reprint this, though, you can do that through daily review. Is one of the manager features. I've got another video on that. Outside of that, go back and forth by clicking this blue hyperlink here. If you want to go back to Cash Drawers, see the rest of the reports again, sort through it some more, do whatever you need to do. That's pretty much all there is to this report. Hope this video was helpful. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.